has started the flooring already. We have here for the kitchen to build or make a door. It is really happening, guys. Tom is doing a good job today. Thanks, Baba, for help. Everyone, welcome back to another episode of Building a Province House here in the Philippines. Today, we are going to give you guys another house update of this province house that we have here. Can you guys tell? Oh my goodness. I am incredibly happy that it is happening. It is really happening, guys. You know what? When we pulled over earlier, when I saw the house, I was like, whoa, this is it. It's coming along. It's really looking like a house now, and I can't be more happy about it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through about what's the house update first, and then later on I'm gonna show you guys what are the additional materials that we got for the house as well. So come on and let's go ahead and get into the house. It rained early this morning, so that's why it is very muddy. We're gonna start here. This area over here, guys, can you see that we put a canal over here? Because if there's rain, then it's gonna be flooded here in the terrace, in the porch area. So I asked my father to put a canal here so that it will just go that way. All right, let's go ahead and get into the house, guys. Oh my god, this is the terrace, and as you guys can see, I know, what the fudge? Nothing has been done in the terrace yet, and the reason for that is because I asked the builder to prioritize the main house so that we could already move in even though the terrace is not finished yet, because we can already like occupy the house and he can still work on the terrace. You know what I mean? In the previous video, I said it is very small, but it is not. We can have like a really massive table here and some hammocks, and yeah, I'm so happy. You'll probably see me laughing in this entire video today. But okay, this is going to be our door. We don't have a door yet, but
and can I just say something about the door?
Yes.
It's foreigner-sized door. Look.
It is indeed a foreigner size because Tom is so tall. You are tall, Baba. Okay, so we are going to actually step here. And when it comes to the door, by the way, I'm not going to buy a door because it is a bit pricey. But what we are going to do is that we are just gonna build or make a door the same as the door that my mom has in her store, and it's actually a pretty decent one. So we'll just have to really buy the materials for it, and you can really save a lot. And I think my builder can do that. So he did that. Anyway, okay, come on, guys, let's get it. So this is how the house is looking, guys, and as you guys can see, all around the house, the hardieflex is already put on. We have one big window over here.
Oh wait, it's
yes.
the window counts.
Yeah, we are going to count the window. Wait, me and Tom were arguing last time how many windows are here. How much did you say? You said seven, and I said six. I said six. Okay, one. And then we have here for the kitchen 2, another for the kitchen 3, 3. Wait, Baba, but this is not considered two windows.
Window.
I know, those are windows.
4, 5,
6,
6,
6, and then 7.
Yes. Who's the winner?
Anyway, this is going to be our toilet. So the toilet size is 5 by 7 feet. So the toilet bowl will be here. And then the shower will be here. And then the sink will be here. As you guys can see on this side over here, you cannot see any hardieflex or anything like that. That's actually because we're going to put hollow blocks in those, because since this is a toilet, you need to have it concrete. And over here as well. So from here, going here, that's the room. It's okay? Good size. At the same time, we have a back door, by the way. So here it is. It's also a foreigner size, top size. We have back door because you guys know this is our view. It's really lovely. And yeah, that's how it's looking so far. Now this one over here as well, we did not put any hardieflex because we are going to put hollow blocks on there and over here. kitchen counter is going to be here. That's why I want it to be concrete. Now let's go ahead and try to check, guys, the view outside over here. We're gonna have to go down.
View from the back door.
It is pretty, right? Nice. Can you guys see over there? We do have a septic tank. It's not finished yet. It's over there. It's still like a hole, but the process will be done, I think, tomorrow, but we will still be here. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get back in there. It's a bit steep. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys what are the materials that we actually got for the additional materials. It is really coming along, guys. I can feel that it is really a house now. We are gonna do the flooring today as well. That's what the builder said, because he has already finished putting all the hardieflex on the sides. At the same time, he already put here, we have the source of the electricity. So I think I've shared it to you guys last time as well. So we have the main switch, turn on and off. And then actually the inside of the house, it's not just going to be like this. Like you can see the wood inside. We are going to do double walling. So it is still going to be hardieflex. So he has to do that later on. But I just want to do first like the flooring so that it will be fast. Okay, let's go ahead and show you guys what are the other materials that I got so far. All right, now for the materials, guys, I have actually spent an additional of about, I'm gonna round it up anyway, it's about 25,000 pesos, so that's like 500 to 600 US dollars. The rest of the materials is actually for the ceiling, and a lot of you guys are suggesting to put an insulation because it will be very hot. Yeah, we are going to do that, though we're not going to put a foam insulation because that's going to be like double of the materials. But instead, I got a plaster board, or they call it a gypsum board here in the Philippines. So we got about, I forgot how many pieces are those, I think like 24 pieces. So that will cover the entire ceiling, and that's gonna be good because it's actually thick. It is about 9 millimeters. It's the same as the hardieflex, though this is a bit cheaper. That's why I did not get the hardieflex.
This is all we have on our house in Ireland, plasterboard.
Ah, yeah?
We plaster over it and just paint white.
Yeah, exactly. We are also going to paint white once it will be finished. We're not going to be using nails, I think, to put this one up. They're using a blind nails. Here, the toilet bowl. This is the toilet bowl that we got, guys. It's very basic. The reason for that is because of the water source that we have here in the countryside. It is very limited. We have the pretty door. This is for the toilet door. I decided to just get a toilet door because it is made of plastic. And this is the one that is recommendable for the toilet. I don't think you can put like a wood, yeah. So we have this, and this is about 1,300 pesos. I mean, it's pretty affordable, so that's why I got it. It also has like a little window on the door of the, like a ventilation on the door, so that's good. And then I got little stuff. Actually, I already forgot what are those. And over here, I'm gonna show you guys another thing that we got as well. It's over here. We have here the metal furring. So we got those, and we got additional metal rebar and metal furring. This is gonna be to hold the plasterboard. And we got additional, I think these are 200 pieces of hollow blocks that will go to the countertop and to the sink, and as well as to the toilet that we have. Yes, guys, those are so far the update that we have for the house. Alright, guys, so it is about 5 p.m. right now, so we're gonna go ahead and check about the small progress of the house. A lot of you guys are asking about the plumbing and all the tubing and whatnot. I don't know what's the right term, but the plumbing of the house, since we've already put the soil in. So I'm gonna show you guys because the builder is currently working at it right now. So let's go ahead and try to check it out. Over here, it's getting dark already actually. As you guys can see, he already put the metal rebar for the flooring. So that is how it's currently looking. So I think that will be tomorrow that we're gonna be doing the flooring. So let's go ahead and check the plumbing in this area over here. Just try to look here, honey, come on. And he already put the metal rebar as well on the toilet. Now this pole over here that you guys can see, this is going to be where the toilet bowl will be, and then the sink will be over here. So the plumbing is already at the bottom. A lot of you are asking that he needs to dig into the soil that was being put inside, and yes, he did. So it is already inside over here. So we have this one, I don't know what is it, but I think this everything is actually for the, you know, this is for the drain, I think, because the shower will be here, and then toilet bowl, and here is going to be the sink. So yeah, that's how it's currently looking. And yeah, I think it will be by tomorrow that he's gonna do the flooring, so that's good. And then all of the tires that is needed for the septic tank is already here. It arrived, so I think we are also gonna do the septic tank by tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. Alright guys, so it is now the next day, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick update about the house. Now I'm gonna talk about the flooring. Since the wall has been finished, we're gonna look at the flooring. So actually early this morning, the builder has started the flooring already, and this is how it looks like. And by the way, shout out to Roaming Hogan who is holding the camera right now.
I'm working construction
because he worked with Junjun doing the flooring today. So he did some shoveling. Yeah, he's not finished. It's only about 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. I think. Wait, what time is it? Yeah, it's like 9 a.m. Wow.
I predict
you did
will finish.
Yeah, I think so. So that's a good thing. This is how the flooring is looking right now. Can you guys see? So we have almost covered the entire house. It's like half of it already. And thanks to Tom for helping Junjun to mix the cement and the sand, as well as bringing the bucket, the mixed stuff going inside the house. It's actually very heavy, like the mixing especially. I tried to do it myself, but it is very heavy. So that's the current situation right now. And if you guys are asking, this current finish has consumed at least 4 sack of cement. So yeah, so I think we're gonna consume about 10 sack of cement. So that's why we had to add additional 10 sack of cement again today. So on this side over here, as you guys can see, this is where they're gonna be doing the mixing of the cement as well as the sand, and we got our running water over there. This running water is actually not applicable for drinking and for cooking as well. This is from the river, so it's not so clean, but not so dirty as well. It's so. I mean, it's been raining here, so the river is clean. Tom is doing a good job today. Thanks, Baba, for helping. I think the rest of the day he's gonna do it. He's looking very filthy already. But that's hard work. So yeah, I'm gonna update you guys later on once we've already finished it. So okay guys, so this is the current situation right now for the flooring. So that's where we got the mix of the cement as well as the sand with water. So we got the source of water over there, and then they mix it up here. Actually, Tom earlier was helping the builder to do it, and it's so good. Now here we're gonna go ahead and try to check out how is it looking now. So that's how it looks now. We're almost finished. Honestly, it's only about 12 p.m. and it is almost finished. So as you guys can see, there is a metal rebar underneath the cement. So that's how it's looking currently. The toilet is over there, and then yeah, this is how he does it. Almost finished. It's looking good. It's coming along nicely, guys. So happy. And over here we're going to check out our septic tank. So pretty much we are gonna be using these tires for the septic tank. We are not gonna be using like a concrete for it. So that's how the septic, it's very slidey. That's how the septic tank is looking. Look at that. It's got a lot of water in. So my father is inside. He's trying to remove the water inside since it rained so hard last night. So we got water inside there. It is, I think, about 6 feet. So that's the current situation. He's got a very small bucket, so it's gonna take some time for him to do that. But I think he's gonna try to get a bigger bucket. There's a lot of frogs over there. Can you see? We are gonna be using these tires that we got. These are like a truck tires. These are really big. So we got 10 of those. And I think that should be enough for that. And looking at this view, that's how the house is looking, guys. See? We ordered another set of hollow blocks for it. So let's check it out. This area over here, it's almost, I think, it's almost dry. Ta-da! It's coming along. I'm so happy. Hey. Going to end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Tom Roaming Hogan. We do have our joint channel, Tom and Meljean. I hope you guys can subscribe there. We do daily vlogs if you are interested about that. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!